When you walk everywhere in Japan, you will be surprised by the large number of automatic vending machines that you will find. You can get drinks, cigarettes, umbrellas, and more. This is a vending machine for antibacterial. You can get a little bottle for $9. You can also have the QR to read the instructions for both for the antibacterial and for the dispenser. This is a fresh flower dispenser. This dispenser keeps the flowers fresh all the time. You can get a flower, a single flower, or a bunch for prices between $25 and $50. This is a refrigerator for ice cream of different flavors. The vanilla flavor predominates, but there are also strawberry, chocolate, coffee, mint, and more. As you can see, they are very colorful. The prices for the ice creams are between $1 and $3. This vending machine sells some of the characters from Japanese cartoons or manga. The prices are between $10 and $20. Vending machines are not only inside shopping malls. You can see them everywhere, trains, subway, but also in the streets. The machine that you see in the foreground is to take photographs for documents. Depending on the size, they are between $10 or $20. The machines in the background are for buying drinks. Most of the drinks are made from English tea, green tea, and coffee. Normally, there are not fruit juices. The prices range between $1 and $2. This is practically a fridge for sushi. The different types of raw fish come in boxes as shown in the illustration. For example, there are salmon cuts and also salmon and sturgeon eggs. As always, the product comes out through the slot at the bottom of the machine. As you can see, the natural oranges are seen at the top of the machine. This juice has a value of $4 more or less. When you come to Tokyo, you will be surprised that the drinks sold by these vending machines feature a wide variety of designs on both cans and plastic bottles. Bright colors are always used. Some tourists take them home to use them as containers or as flower vases, cutting up the upper part, of course. Now, memorize this word in Japanese. Vending machine is called Jido Hanbaiki. Jido Hanbaiki. If you liked this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.